Look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Virginia International Raceway and we're going to do some charity laps. Started getting sick.
Corvette?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There were pace cars. Well, it's Friday and we're headed up to do some charity laps. We got Trey, we got me. Captain Slow. It's 30 minutes late. All right, we'll head up to VIR now.
Just an exit. I guess they changed it, huh?
Hey, good. How you doing today?
Pretty good.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Well, we made it to VIR. Heck yeah. Oh, they're out there doing some laps already. Look at that. That guy's flying. Well, let's go ask this guy where to park. Yeah, we'll get the cameras set up and then go out on the track. Well, here's the camera set up for today. Got 2 suction cups and then the camera. Should be a pretty cool angle. And we got the window cam. Got our microphone set up. It's right there. All right, y'all. Well, we are about to go do some charity laps. Apparently a few people went off track earlier when it was raining, so I'm gonna take it easy. The Odyssey's going out there. Just got Rick on the back. Bunch of cars. All right. There's Trey. There goes everyone. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Crazy. That was fun. If you've never been to a track before, I definitely recommend trying to find a charity lap day near you, because that was awesome. We had let the cars cool off a little bit, then we'll head over to the Patriot course. I ended up buying a ride-along ticket for Ariel items, so that should be pretty fun. Hopefully I don't get sick. I'm not the best passenger. They gave me a tracksuit to put on, and then they told me I had to wait about 15 minutes. Looks quick. What's your name again?
Dan.
Dan? Robert.
Okay.
Is it 5-speed or 6-speed?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. It happens. It's easier for the driver. He knows what's going on.
Thanks very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Great driver.
How was it?
Don't get sick.
Oh gosh! Did you get some big footage though?
Yeah, I can only drive. I can't be a passenger. That was fun though. Well, we decided to go out for one last session. Aaron was gonna go out on this one. I'm gonna set the camera up and get some rollers. Oh my god. That's a
Big ol' iPad screen.
Look at that. He's got some navigation and some radios.
Huge iPad screen.
The ZR1 track spec. Dang. Aaron's Alpine and my C8. Alrighty. They got a little sticky. Well, that was pretty fun. I wish we could have gone faster, but it's charity lap days, so that's what we got. I think I hit 140 at one time, but thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. I gotta sign up for a real track day now. There goes Trey. Sick. Beamer Bros. Why are they driving like maniac? Look at that guy. He cut the van off. BMW drivers, man. Well, that was fun, y'all. We got about a 40-minute drive home, and then gonna get to editing this video.